that I'm installing is a wig that I made. I made it with multiple colors. It's black in the bag, there's brown, and I put blonde highlights in it. So, and it's made with the HG 5x5 lace. I didn't put any combs in here because I knew I was going to sew it on, so I didn't need the combs on there to hold it. But this can be made in a glueless wig. Just for me, I didn't want it to be glueless. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, you can go to my website. The link is in the description, and all the information and the hair that it's made with is in the description too. And the difference between Vietnamese hair and Brazilian, Vietnamese hair is more silkier, it lasts longer, and it doesn't come with all those short hairs. So this is only made with 2 bundles. It looks like it's made with 3. Sometimes with Brazilian hair you have to use 3, but this was only made with 2 bundles. And you see how full it is. I'm just showing you an up close of how the lace looks, how the HD lace looks. It doesn't take much to blend into the skin. Sometimes all you just need is a little foundation, and even certain skins don't need any foundation. But I made this to fit like exactly to my head size. This is more so of a custom wig, but you can get it in a medium. If you would like it to, if your head is a little smaller or bigger, just message me at tthair@gmail.com. That will also be in the description, and just let me know your measurements and I could custom make one. So I used the Got2b glue to hold it down. My goal was to only have this to stay on for 1 day. I was thinking it was going to only last for 1 day, and this is why I'm only using 1 layer. I'm not going and using the hairspray with it. But it actually almost lasted 2 weeks. So I piled on a thick layer of the gel, thinking that it was only going to last a day, and it almost lasted 2 weeks. So instead of letting it dry before I press the wig down and using hairspray, all I'm using is this gel, and I'm pressing it down as it's wet and letting it dry. But you have to make sure that you don't lay the hairs into the gel also, otherwise it will stick into the gel. And this, since I have it, I like mine laying that my lace to go into my hair. Instead of laying the lace onto my skin, I put the lace into my hair. And the reason I'm using this quick cover is when you put the lace into your hair, you can see the where the lace starts. So all I'm doing is just going in and putting a black foundation in the front of the wig, and then the parts of the hair is a little lighter in the part, I'm just rubbing a little foundation on the part. And the other thing is, with this being gel, you can put it into your hair and it won't take your hair out. Now, if I was using glue, I would have to put the lace in front of my hairline, or otherwise it would take my hairline out. So as you see, with the lace being into my hair and some of my edges naturally come out, you can't really tell that it's not my hair. It doesn't look like a lace. Now I'm just rubbing a little gloss through the hair so that way when I flat iron it, it'll have a little shine. It really doesn't need too much oil because the hair is pretty soft, so the silkier the hair, the more it holds oil. So I'm just doing a quick job of running through this and flat iron the hair. Later on, I went in and cut layers in the front. I didn't get any pictures of that, but in order to get it to look more natural, I just cut the layers down the front of the hair. But for now, I'm just flat ironing it just to give it I don't want it too silky. I want it to look more like my hair, so I'm just running the iron through it. Plus I have to be somewhere, so I'm just doing a quick job. Out of all my wigs that I've made, this one has probably been one of my favorite ones, especially with all the colors that's blended in. When I wore it out, a lot of people, that's what their main compliment was, is they liked all the colors. So once I gelled the front down, I didn't really take a video of it, but I went and sewed around the perimeter and the back to make sure it stays down. And then you can also stitching through the top of the head to make sure that when you move it, it doesn't move. But this being pretty much the exact measurement, is not going anywhere. So here is the finished look. If you are interested in this wig, you can go onto the link and purchase you one. Or if you would like it customized, let me know. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video.